Hi friends! Today we are baking these delicious butter cookies. You will thank me later. If you're a subscriber, thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you're new to this channel, please support my channel by subscribing. Let's get into it. In a container, add some sugar to half cup of room temperature butter and mix. So I'll go ahead and mix with a spatula and follow up with a mixer. This is to make sure that the sugar doesn't spill everywhere. Mix on low speed until the mixture changes color or it is pale and creamy. After this, add an egg yolk, some heavy cream, and some vanilla for flavor. Mix on low speed again until everything is uniform. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every week. Now stir in all your dry ingredients and mix until uniform. Now this is the piping tip that I'll be using to pipe my butter. If you have a bigger one, it will be more efficient and your work will be easier, but this is what I have on hand and we will make it work. You can also use a piping bag. If you don't have it, don't fret, just use a Ziploc bag like I did. It works fine. Just make sure that you double bag it or triple bag it if necessary. And now the fun part, let's pipe it out. Be sure to secure your baking sheet with some of the butter. So if you could see through the sheet, I put some of the butter underneath as a glue so that the paper wouldn't be moving while I pipe. I played a little bit with a fork, but I think I love the piped ones better. Let your imaginations run wild. Bake this for 17 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, on to the chocolate butter cookies. Yum, yum. The method and ingredients are the same. The only difference is with the flour and the cocoa powder portions, and everything is going to be in the description box below. I love music, do you? Let's listen to some. Friends, this is a win. You have to try this recipe. Let this cool for a few minutes and have yourself a great time. Just picture this with your morning coffee or tea. Oh, I can't wait. Let me know which is your favorite in the comment section below. Are you the chocolate person or the plain person? Let's break into one or two. Do you all see the flake? It is raining delicious cookies in here. Please support my channel by subscribing for more great recipes. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you and see you next time.